In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money online with Canva templates. We'll move from choosing a niche, to designing in Canva, to packaging and listing your product so customers can buy and start editing right away. First, narrow your focus to a specific audience and research what they actually need. Think of groups like real estate agents, yoga instructors, wedding planners, podcasters, or restaurant owners. Look at marketplaces to see what already sells. Read reviews to spot common requests and note gaps you can fill. Pay attention to sizes and formats your audience uses most, like Instagram posts, stories, A4 flyers, business cards, or presentation slides. Your goal is to create templates that solve real, recurring design tasks for that group, so they save time and look professional. Next, open Canva and start building your templates. You can use Canva's free elements or Pro elements if you have Canva Pro. If you include Pro elements, make sure you sell the product as a customizable template, not a flat static image. Keep everything editable. Use text boxes for headlines and body copy, frames for photos, and color and font styles that can be swapped easily. Organize pages consistently and name them clearly so customers know what each layout is for. Create a cohesive set like 20 coordinated social posts or a full brand kit to increase perceived value. When your design is ready, generate a shareable template link. As a Canva Pro user, click Share, then choose Template Link. This creates a special URL that lets buyers add a copy to their own Canva account without changing your original file. Test the link in a separate browser or incognito window to confirm it opens as a template and that all fonts and elements display correctly. Now package your product for delivery. Create a simple PDF that includes a brief welcome, step-by-step instructions on how to use the template link, and any helpful tips like how to change colors, swap photos, or duplicate pages. Add the template link prominently and include basic troubleshooting guidance, such as signing into Canva first or trying a different browser if the link doesn't open. Finally, list and market your template on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Use strong SEO in your title and description by including the niche, format, and key features. Think real estate Instagram carousel templates or yoga class flyer pack. Upload clear preview images or mock-ups that showcase multiple pages and variations. Set a fair price, add relevant tags, and describe the benefits and use cases so buyers instantly see the value. Thanks for watching.